Hey guys, Brian Capitano here with Sync Interactive, website design and digital marketing agency in Portland, Oregon. Hey, just a quick video announcement for you guys today. Google announced recently that starting next month in July, for websites that don't have the SSL security certificate installed, they're going to start putting a big red notice at the top of your website saying not secure. You will likely be subjected to a customer service issue. People are either going to bounce off of your website, say, I don't want to be here, I don't trust it, or they're going to email you and they're going to say, hey, what's wrong with your website? Something is broken. If you did have SSL installed, what you would see is a nice comforting green bar that said secure. Now Google continues to push the envelope and say security is extremely important for your website. It increases trust, it protects you, it just makes for a safer internet. So that's why Google is pushing for this. So you might say, okay, that's all fine and well, Brian, we've already got SSL installed. It might be okay. You might still need to consider a couple additional points. First of all, there is what's called mixed content most likely on your website. There are usually resources that are being pulled in from other points of the internet, whether that's style sheets, JavaScript, images of course, possibly video, possibly you're using a content delivery network. You might also have iframes. So if you don't reference those by HTTPS, then you're going to have a mixed content security warning. Hey, that's pretty much it. Generally, guys, it's pretty easy. I think for most of you, it's just going to be a matter of installing an SSL cert if you haven't already done that, or doing an audit of your pages and making sure that any mixed content buried inside of the web page is referencing the content on HTTPS. So it shouldn't take that much time. If you take the effort to do this, I promise you, you're going to save yourself a customer service headache over the next few weeks and the next month or two. So hey, any questions, feel free to reach out. Brian Capitano, Sync Interactive. We're very happy to help. Thank you so much.